Let's talk about this geometry problem here. What's the area of this triangle? Well, notice I didn't give you any angle measures and I didn't give you this height. And the basic formula for the area of a triangle is it's 1/2 the base, which is this, times the height. So the height is not this slanted distance, it's the distance from here to there. So the area of any triangle is 1/2 the base times the height, but we're not given the height here. But we are given enough information to find the height, because if it's equilateral, all the sides are 7, then we know that also all of the angles are 60. So the angles in a triangle add up to be 160. So, 180, excuse me. So that means this is 60 and this is 60 and this is 60. So I could draw this over here and draw this altitude straight down, forms a 90-degree angle, and say, well, this angle is 60, this angle is 90. Since this is bisected, that angle is going to be 30. And so I'm finding this height. Well, according to special triangles, this is the short side, 3.5, which is halfway of the 7. So this little distance here is 3.5, 3.5. That's still 7, and from this coming down, the side opposite the 30 degrees is the short side. Of course, this is the hypotenuse, and this is the long side of this triangle here. So, according to special right triangles, a 30, 60, 90 triangle, if this is the short side, then the long side is that short side times the square root of 3. So this x is this. So if you don't know that, you can look that up on another video on 30, 60, 90 triangles, special right triangles, and how that works. I go into more detail about how I came up with this. So I'm using that here to find this measure, and it's this. So now I can put that in. So the area is 1/2 the base, because the entire base is 7, times the altitude, this distance here, which is this, and I'm getting that from up there. 1/2 of 7 is 3.5, so I have 3.5 times 3.5 times the square root of 3, and that's going to be 21.22 square inches for the area there. So there is a way to find the area when all you know is just the sides like this, especially if it's equilateral like this, where all the sides are the same. So if all the sides are the same, that means all the angles are the same. And if there's 180 degrees in the angles in a triangle, then each one of those has to be 60 there, and that sets up this situation right here. See ya.